I'm reporting from one of the most tourist-heavy spots in Paharganj, where a wall collapsed in an under-construction building that led to the death of 3 people, including the contractor as well as 2 of its workers. Here we can see the NDRF officials have come with sniffer dogs. They're conducting the rescue operation for the last 1 hour. 2 people have been injured and hospitalized. 3 people have been declared dead, and people are suspecting that there could be more people trapped in the debris. And you can also see the Delhi Fire Services officials are here along with Delhi Police. The DM had also arrived at this location, inspected the crime spot, and we also know that the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Imran Hussain had arrived here and assured the people that the structural integrity of this building will be investigated. You can see the visuals of the sniffer dogs with the NDRF officials. They are conducting the rescue operation. At this point in time, we know that 2 middle-aged men, the workers, along with the 65-year-old contractor, have lost their lives in this wall collapse. Remember that today heavy rainfall lashed in several parts of Delhi NCR, and people are anticipating that it could be because of the heavy rainfall that the wall collapsed, leading to several people being trapped in this under-constructed building. This entire area, you can see these are narrow lanes lined up with budget-friendly hotels, and therefore the structural integrity, the legality of these buildings are to be questioned. That is what the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Imran Hussain has also highlighted. He said that the victim's family will get full compensation, and he also assured that no more people are trapped in this debris. Although we can see the NDRF officials, they are on their feet with the sniffer dogs, trying to see if there are any more people trapped in the debris or not. This entire area is lined up with budget-friendly hotels, and how these structures actually follow the safety security regulations and protocols, that is something that needs to be questioned. 3 people have already lost their lives, and rescue operations are still underway to find out if there are more people trapped in the debris. With camera person Ashok Mahalay, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.